Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm setting up in my vertical planner for the week of October the 12th through the 18th, and this is a special collaboration video. I am collaborating with several other planner babes here on YouTube and Instagram for the hashtag Use All the Stickers Snatch Edition. You got it. Use all the stickers Snatch Edition. So the paper and the pen girl challenged us to snatch a fellow planner babe's spread and try to either duplicate the spread or create a spread that is based off of that planner based spread. And before I go any further, I would like to thank anyone who is visiting from Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan's channel who did yesterday's video for the Snatch Edition challenge. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. And I would also like to welcome to my channel the Morning Tea Crew. Hey y'all, hey. I'm so excited that you guys are over here. All right, guys. So here is the spread that I am going to snatch. And this planner babe's name is Heather Kell. I can't believe that I'm snatching Heather Kell's spread, okay? But I love this spread. It's very fall, very festive, fallish like, and I just love it. It's simple, but yet it's just gorgeous to me. And I love the pumpkins going down the spine. So Heather Kell's YouTube channel is Heather Kell, but on Instagram is Kell of a Plan. So please check her out if you're not familiar with her already, but most of us are. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started now. So here are the sticker books that I plan to use to create this spread like Heather's. Now, I do not have all of the stickers that Heather has. So I'm going to pull from several books in order to create this spread. The primary book that I will be using, especially for the pumpkins, is the Happy Memory Keeping book. It's the second one from the right there with the light blue color. And then I'm going to be using the Fun Floral sticker book as well. And because I'm using multiple sticker books, I went ahead and pulled some of the stickers already from the sticker books and put it on the sticker release paper. Because you guys, you'll go crazy trying to snatch somebody else's video and stickers are all over the place in multiple books. So I pulled those stickers just to help me not get a headache, okay? So first I'm going to start off by putting my 2 pages together because I'm going to decorate the spine of the layout first. And the goal here is to try to alternate the directions of the pumpkins. Now, my pumpkins are definitely different from Heather's, and I believe mine's may be slightly bigger, so I don't need to use as many stickers as Heather did. I allotted for 6, but I only was able to really get 4 on here. I couldn't get a 5th one on there at all. Because I originally was going to alternate big, small like she did, but it just didn't work out. So I just left it as is. Now, the next thing to do here is to take the Fun Florals book. And I do have the stickers that she used in the Fun Florals. It's just a matter of which one did she use. But I think I pretty much got it the way she has it. Although because I've used different pumpkin stickers, I'm going to have to fill them in just a little bit in between the pumpkins so that the spread just doesn't have so much white space in between the pumpkins. And you'll see what I mean in just a second. But these are actually some of my favorite stickers from the Fun Floral sticker book. And I got a duplicate book just for these stickers, and I get a feeling now I'm about to use them all. But I'm not going to run out and get any more new sticker books. I don't plan to for this year. I'm going to try to hold off until next year before I get any more Happy Planner sticker books. So I have the main florals put into place pretty much like what Heather has here. But I decided that I do need to go ahead and fill in some of that white space because I want it to look more like flowers are growing around the pumpkin. Okay. And so what I'm doing here is instead of using like the full floral sticker, I'm sort of cutting the greenery off of the floral sticker. And that's what you'll see me using here is I'm just cutting off the leaves of the floral stickers so that they match with the other stickers that I already have on the spread. And I'm just sort of filling in some of the white space in between the pumpkin stickers. And my pumpkins have more of the stem on top than what Heather does. And so that's also another reason why it sort of will look a little bit different. I guess I could have cut the stem or yeah, I'll call it the stem, the green part of the pumpkin. I guess I could have cut the top off, but I thought about doing that prior to before I started, but I forgot all about it. So, or else I could have probably positioned the pumpkins a little bit more tighter and use additional pumpkin stickers. But once I got started, I forgot all about that. So, but yeah, so I'm just adding a little bit more of the greenery to the pumpkins. And I like that I did that because I think that it really helped to polish off this area, which is basically the focal point of the spread. And it's what gives it its edge and pop. So I like that. So I cut off the portions that were sticking over the edge of the paper, and now I'm going to cut the spine back in half. Now, even though these are transparent stickers, sometimes it's really hard to see the spine of the page, and so I decided to go ahead and put this clear envelope. If I had my cutting board nearby, I would have grabbed that and put it underneath there so that I would not cut through my desk. And that worked out really well. And I'm glad that I did because sometimes you have to add extra pressure when you take your X-Acto knife to cut through transparent stickers for some reason. They're, to me, you have to use a lot more pressure than the regular paper stickers. So yeah, I really like how that turned out. It's so cute. And now I'm just adding a little bit more floral to the corner there and adding a pumpkin like Heather did in her spread. And I am now ready to start moving on to the rest of the spread. So I did speed up this video, of course, because I'm doing a voiceover. I did speed up this video a little bit, but I would say that the portion that took me the longest was the pumpkin area because I had to add in the additional leaves and try to position them in a way that sort of looked like what I was duplicating. So if if you're interested in creating a spread like this, probably that was for me the part that took the most time. Otherwise, because I'm snatching another person's stickers, once I found the stickers that I was going to use, the rest of the spread basically didn't take any time at all to do. And so Heather has like a miniature calendar underneath her month, which she used this spread for November. So there was a miniature calendar under the November. I don't have that here, so I just brought this full box sticker up underneath the October, and I put florals around it because Heather did that. She actually took what she had left over from cutting the florals on the spine and added it around the box for Hello November. So because she had Hello November, I put Hello October. And then for the full box on Monday and the full box on Friday, she had two sticker books from her fall sticker book, and she had duplicate striped full box stickers. I do not have duplicate books of my fall books, and so I found two full boxes that had stripes in them. They're not alike, but you know, there's some coordination that they are stripes within the spread. So I like that I was able to still find stripes. I added the Hello Today on top of that little box with a pumpkin on it. And Heather also did Hello Today with a box that had a pumpkin on it. And then the full box for Tuesday, I had already used that full box out of that fall sticker book, so I found this one, and Heather also added an additional pumpkin sticker on top of the full box stickers. So in that way, although it's not the same, I did the exact same thing she did and added a full box sticker to that, or a pumpkin to that full box sticker. And the pumpkins don't necessarily match the pumpkins that I have on the spine, but they do match each other. So the full box stickers that I have match each other as far as pumpkins. So I'm okay with that. And then for Tuesday, the last row, I put the plan and then two hearts. I did have that today flag, but because I cut it crooked, I replaced it with the plan, and that's fine with me. And then to create a little bit of balance, we put another flag sticker on Friday. That one also says today. And then we have the hearts for the bullet points. Now, I also put down a taskless sticker on Saturday. She had a burgundy one. I have a green one. Her Hello November sticker was like a burgundy color, as well as this double box sticker for Saturday and Sunday. I did not have those stickers, so I just found a orange and a yellow, and I figured that worked, complemented each other well. And I put down that full box, double full box sticker, and then the striped full box sticker for Friday. And I layered it with a sticker that said all the fall colors. She actually had a script sticker that had decoration on it, and she cut off the decor and just used the script portion to layer it on top of that striped sticker, but I didn't have that, so this was as close as I could get. And then we put a floral sticker behind the double box sticker to top off the spread. So this is my snatch spread. I personally think it turned out well, and I'm proud of myself because I did not have the exact same stickers that Heather did, but it definitely was a spread that was inspired by what Heather did, and I really enjoyed putting this together. So I hope you like the spread too, and I hope that you agree with me that it turned out pretty nice. Now tomorrow, Natasha from La Casa de Natasha here on YouTube will end off the collaboration series with all of the planner bays that the paper and pen girl invited to do this collaboration with. I have her link down below. Please go ahead and prepare to check her out tomorrow for her collab video, and also check out everybody else that is listed in the description box below. Don't forget to check out Heather on Heather Kell for YouTube, and Kell of a Plan on Instagram. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And until the next time, bye bye.